Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern car poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a document with these dimensions and change the background color to black. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Apply a red fill color to it. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of it. Press Ctrl+T and squeeze it. Then place it toward the left. Hold the Alt button and drag for copy of it, and place it toward right. Select 3 of them and press Ctrl+E to merge them. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of it. Press Ctrl+T, and drag it down. Right-click on it, and choose Perspective. Drag it from the corners. Go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded. Select the image, and place it. Go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Add a layer mask to it. Use the Lasso tool and make a selection of the shadow. Then press Ctrl+J. Drag it down in the Layers panel and change the blend mode to Multiply. Press Ctrl+L to open the levels. Follow my levels settings. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Change its color to white. Follow my text settings. I have already typed some text to save time. Place it in the design. Place the Lamborghini logo in the design. Select these text layers and press Ctrl+G to make a group. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy of it, the shape layer. Drag it up to the group layer. Apply a black fill color to it. Right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Add a mask to the shape layer. Go to the brush tool and follow these settings. Then apply it like this. Place this image in the design. Drag it down in the Layers panel. Go to Adjustments and choose Black and White. Decrease its opacity to 12%. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer of blue. Change its blend mode to hue. You can change the color with one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.